teacher Hazan. I came up with another lesson. So in today's lesson we are going to do amortization table, right? So we're going to learn how to make an amortization table. Its principal amount, let's suppose the principal amount is 2,50,000. The term is 25 and the annual rate is 8%. So how we can, a monthly number of payments. A monthly number of payments, you can do this one, terms multiplied by 12. Monthly rate, how you can calculate the monthly rate. The monthly rate to calculate, you need to divide by 12. And for mortgage payment, monthly mortgage payment, we have got a formula. The formula is PMT, right? So we have got rate, we have got number of payments, and we have got principal amount. This is okay. For principal amount, we have to show in negative. Remember, right? Okay, so I'm going to apply the formula sequence, and I'm going to take the reference of it. So it's directly, I don't need to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. Okay, the beginning balance, it should be this one, principal amount, and we have got payment. The payment, of course, definitely we have got mortgage payment. Interest, how we can calculate the interest? The formula of interest is beginning balance multiply by monthly rate, and the principal amount is, what we can do is payment minus interest. And for ending balance, we have got beginning balance minus principal. Got it? It's very easy. Okay, as we know, that's the beginning ending balance. The last year is the beginning balance of the new year. So it's very easy. You just need to type, right? So we have got, the formula is correct, we just paste it. And for payment, we'll do it F2, F4. Okay, so for payment we have to do this. Payment remains same. The interest rate, for the interest rate, we have got this one, log the formula, and then we have just need to apply it. The principal amount, it's same, we don't need to change it, and then that's the end. That's called now I'm gonna do the total. The total is sum, and then I need to apply it. Okay, it's very easy. It's very easy. It's very, very easy. So I hope you like it. The balance is 0. This is, you can play with it, you can change it. You can change the principal amount to 2 lakh. You can change the term to you can say 35. You can change the annual rate to 5. It's up to you, right? So you can play with it. Okay, that's the end. I hope you liked today's lesson. So take a very good care of yourself. Bye-bye.